Even though Nevis recorded its first case of COVID-19 since the outbreak on St. Kitts, the public and private sectors on the island will continue normal operations. In a public address, Premier Mark Brantley said the necessary contact tracing for that single case is being done.
Yesterday evening, June 14th, some 90 days since the last case was announced on March 16th, Nevis recorded a single case of COVID-19. This brings the total number of cases on Nevis in the past 15 months to 15, with 1 active case and 14 recoveries. This individual has no travel history and was identified through contact tracing from our sister island of St. Kitts. The individual is in isolation and is stable. Contact tracing as a result of this new case has commenced, with contacts being quarantined and tested.
Mr. Brantley pointed out that with the community spread being experienced in St. Kitts over the past few weeks, expert advice had indicated Nevis would eventually see cases as well. He also called on the populace to visit their nearest health centre and get vaccinated against the virus.
I ask persons to continue to be vigilant. I remind you, as I do at every available opportunity, to get vaccinated so that we can achieve herd immunity on Nevis and in the wider Federation. Vaccination is the only proven way out of this pandemic. As of yesterday on Nevis, 31% of the target population is fully vaccinated, which equates to 22% of the general population being fully vaccinated. 57% of the target population has received their first dose of the vaccine. These figures indicate that there has been an uptake of vaccination, and we commend persons who have seen the importance of protecting themselves and their families.
On June 12th, the Premier had informed that during the national 14-day partial lockdown announced by the Prime Minister on June 11th, businesses and government offices on Nevis would remain open. Business places have been encouraged to enforce established non-pharmaceutical COVID-19 prevention measures, including mask wearing, physical distancing, and frequent sanitizing of hands. All other measures, including the 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily curfew, no mass gatherings, and no dining-in option for restaurants, are in effect. Ferry services have been suspended for the period except for essential travelers, including persons traveling to St. Kitts for dialysis treatment. I'm Andre Huey reporting for SKN News 9.